What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat Man, bringing to y'all a special edition of My Family is Against Me and I Don't Give a Damn. Let me tell you, no, my wifey, my ride or die is against me. My brother, aka known as Destroyer Cat, is against me, and I'm gonna tell y'all what my theory is. It's not my theory, it's not that I prove it. So here goes this, man. Long story short, let me see if I can clean this white off. Let me tell you what's going on, y'all. So I'm telling them when I make my coffee on my Keurig, I know for a fact that when I put the milk in first, and then I let the Keurig spill the coffee in, my temperature of my coffee's warmer than if I got the coffee, put it first, and then added the milk later. So basically the bet is that if we get the Keurig, let the coffee come out, and then add the milk to the Keurig, the coffee that comes out the Keurig, at that point in time, the temperature is going to be cooler than the one that I do, which is the coffee in it first, and then the Keurig pours into the milk. My wife is surprised me because she went against me.
He's having a tutu moment right now, guys.
She calls it a tutu moment. I'm gonna go to Walgreens and prove to these, and my son, everybody here been laughing at me today. My brother posted on Instagram, Destroyer Cat. I'm gonna go to Walgreens and go pick up a thermostat to prove to them that if you put the milk in first, and then you add the coffee after, the temperature is warmer than if you put the coffee and then add the milk later. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Hold on. So my brother, aka Destroyer Cat, trying to, what's up?
Don't hold it against him. Don't hold it against him. Don't listen, guys. He's a good guy. You know, he just had a.
You laughing at me too, right?
So often he has tutu.
You laughing at me too. My ride or die went against me on this one, y'all.
No, I'm just saying.
No, you went against me.
You're having a tutu moment.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna take it to this level. No, nigga. It's gonna come to this. You either part of Cruz Crew or you ain't a part of Cruz Crew. You're an enemy of Cruz Crew. I don't know what show I got that from, but it's either one crew or you're a part of one crew or you're an enemy of one crew. So in this one, it's gonna from the show 100. You're either part of Cruz Crew or you're an enemy of Cruz Crew. And at point in time, they prove to be an enemy of Cruz Crew, y'all.
Don't hold that against him, guys.
Don't hold it against me. Car in this snowy weather and go pick up this damn thermostat to prove this wrong. I'll be right back with y'all. All right, guys, so we're about to check the temperature reading of this thermostat to see what the temperature really is. So I'm gonna go with some cold water first, see how cold it'll go.
It don't matter, we just check the coffee. We don't want to check the temperature.
Yeah, we gotta make sure this thing works.
Oh, we gotta make sure it works because they sell things that don't work. You're gonna check. So you know what the temperature is besides the reading? Because you make it sound like you know what the temperature is.
Exactly, Jay.
Well, no, you gotta understand.
Yeah, you want to see?
I'm gonna put this to you.
You're gonna say it's 38.2 on the temperature?
I just want to make sure that it reads how low the temperature goes and how high the temperature.
Well, the box says that it does that.
It doesn't say what the temperature reading. I thought about two thermostats.
It don't matter because they're both gonna have the same. You bought two of the same?
No, I'm not saying that.
You would definitely change it all up. Yeah.
I'm just glad that he actually bought two.
Yeah, like pregnancy test.
Just like a pregnancy test. You just never know.
Water.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna put a little bit in the coffee.
So we're gonna make sure that it can read within ranges.
Okay, so that one right there reads.
Can you imagine?
Click the button, Jeff. Blue button in there.
Oh my goodness.
You're supposed to do it right now.
Baby.
I'm saying right now, y'all think it's funny to watch. You owe me big time.
I have to start my video, please.
So get the thermostat working. Pause that. Get the thermostat working. Error 2. What is the error 2 that it keeps on getting down? It's test official.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
Okay,
You ready?
go.
To make
Ready.
it official, we now got the Keurig turned on, and she's doing her thing to get the temperature warm. Now, we're going to also grab the cup is in there. I'm gonna close the Keurig with a brand new coffee. I'm gonna hit middle here. I'm gonna take 2 cups, 2 of these, to put it in there. 2 of these. You wanna do 1 or 2? How many you wanna
This
do?
one is fine. It's all the way to the line. One.
Right there.
1 right there. So we
Okay.
got 1 right there.
You put it away already. That way you can do the one
No,
that you said
I'm
already.
doing yours first.
Okay, then you do mine.
It's not gonna be light enough. Cause I'm going by when I take my coffee. That's not gonna make my coffee light enough. So give me 2 of those, just so you know. Just to make it, because I'm going to what I taste. Remember, I'm fighting.
What that has to do with temperature, sir?
Because the temperature when I
You
taste
do
the
one,
coffee,
and one is still gonna be the same thing. You're
It's
not
not.
drinking this coffee.
You're not drinking it. This is
I
just
know,
a
but I'm gonna
taste.
do it like I did it when I make my coffee. I'm not going any other way. It's gonna be the way I make coffee.
Okay,
Y'all
so
can see
he
it.
wants.
I'm gonna make it like I
So
do my
we're gonna
coffee.
waste 2 cups.
My wife is laughing at me, y'all, behind this. Look at this. She is laughing at me behind my camera. Here you go. I can't wait to
Oh
put
my
it to
God, this is too
you.
funny.
Where's my measuring? Where's my temperature thingy?
Yeah, grab it. You can already put it in there.
It's okay, baby. I
Don't worry
love
about
you
it.
regardless.
Yeah,
I
we
love
you
you.
anyway.
This was a love what y'all gave me today.
Even when you have these moments, we
And
love
my
you.
coffee's too light, so I can't do the real measurement. But give me two.
What
of
that
those.
has to do with
Because I do it
anything?
when I take my coffee. You see.
Puppy, we're taking temperature. You're not gonna drink these cups.
We'll do two of these and we're gonna get this right. Watch.
Okay, so you
Okay.
want to do the way you drink it.
Yeah. Stir it and everything the way you want it.
Okay, stir. You got to stir it too.
Yeah. So one.
That's one.
One,
Goes two.
That's it. Two. Let's go.
1, 2. Let's go. Stir it. No, wait. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Okay. Not.
That's it. That's it. You don't have to.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Go ahead.
Okay. Temperature of this coffee right now. Right about 140 degrees. Pretty much where it's coming out.
140. 140.
140.
Okay. 140. Okay. Baby, you had another cup there, but okay.
So let's do it my way now.
My baby just wants to give me more dishes.
This has special. This is special milk. It has temperature built in.
Make sure he doesn't cheat with the amount of
It's
milk.
exactly the same, bro.
Let's go.
And you said this one's gonna be warmer?
Warmer.
Warmer. All right, guys. So this milk is auto warm. Starbucks.
I wish
y'all
I had a
get rid of
digital.
it.
I wish I had
If
a
you buy
digital.
this brand, it auto warms your milk.
Oh my
Ladies
goodness.
and gentlemen, the moment of truth. Because the coffee's getting warmer.
The coffee's hotter right now because the milk already got to the temperature of the coffee.
Okay, that's fine. We're about to find out because you know
And then actually get a coffee, get another cup or just
Guys,
one
this
cup.
is what happens when we get snow in Texas. We're so bored out of our minds that we just.
Oh,
What
see?
happened? What happened? What
It
happened?
doesn't matter.
Yeah, he messed up there because he took it out too early. Let's look at temperature, guys.
145. Is it not hotter or not?
Look,
Proven.
Hold on.
Oh!
Did he
It's already
shake it?
done. That's what I said.
Did he
It's over with. My shit is warmer.
No, look.
145. Hey, listen, they fought with me and they lost. Officially. Did you lose or did you not lose? It's 145 to 140. Is that 5 degrees? Did it not come out? Look at your face. He can't even believe it. What the hell? You listen, y'all. I'm just telling y'all, this is something that I know because when I make my coffee in the morning and I tried it the other way, put in the coffee, I feel it colder. So I just proved to him, look at his face. What the?
Warmer?
Yes, it is. 140 to 145 is warmer. That's 5 degrees. Same temperature, same thing. What, Mrs. Audio Cat?
I don't have nothing.
No, you owe me an apology on camera. Get your ass over here. You owe me an apology on camera.
Okay, baby. Well, this sounds stupid.
But
as
did
hell.
I win?
I don't know because I didn't see how much milk.
It was 100 for same exact thing twice. You want to do it
The
again?
other one was 140.
140 and 145.
140. He took it out fast.
No. We did exactly the same.
We let it migrate, but if we would have done the other one,
It was 145. Did I win? Was my coffee not warmer?
yeah, absolutely. Right now you are because of the fact that the other coffee we didn't do the same thing.
Bro, listen. Let's do it again. Let's do.